Overhead of several buildings, one with a clock tower, a sign that says Wichita State, a gray statue of a mascot, cheerleaders cheering with full bleachers at a basketball game, streamers fall from the ceiling at graduation, students walk around campus, stop at information tables, and sit in a lecture hall. Students work on mechanical projects. A student works with a wooden model airplane. A student paints an abstract painting on an easel. A map of the U.S. zooms in on Kansas. A dotted line points to the university's location in the state. Various things happening in Wichita. An outdoor movie event, dancers on a stage, drummers, someone holding a bubbling beaker. A young man in a harness walks on a treadmill.
Welcome everyone to Wichita State University, also known as Shocker Nation. Wichita State, an urban public research institution with more than 17,000 students, strikes the perfect balance between offering extensive opportunities and providing that personal attention each student deserves. Located here in the heart of Kansas, Wichita is a thriving metropolis, teeming with a vibrant art scene, a lively entertainment district, and a flourishing community spirit that fuels innovation and growth.
A plane taxis onto a runway. Several buildings are shown with names like Hexagon, Hawker, Textron Aviation, and Airbus. Text, The College Tour, Alex Boylan, host / at Boylan Alex. Several students are shown in various locations on campus, both outdoors and indoors. A student sits with young kids at a table, coloring. Two students stand in front of a large piece of machinery. Students in a shop are surprised by the school mascot. One gives the mascot a high five.
Wichita, also known as the air capital of the world, is Kansas's largest city and is a mecca for big names in business and industry. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next hour, we're going to travel around this dynamic campus to meet real past and present students of Wichita State. We'll hear stories from aspiring educators, engineers, and even Wichita's mayor. The passion this community has for this university is absolutely contagious. Welcome to Wichita State University. This is the College Tour.
Title, The College Tour.